Hi everyone, Deb here. This is a collab I'm in, well, sort of a challenge, hosted by Tapping Flamingo and Terry. Hi. And it's called #BeCreative2022. And we have a theme each month, and this month it is rain showers. Now, I already have put up, hopefully by the time this one gets up, one video on my other channel, which is jewelry, Dahlia Designers Jewelry and more. But this time I'm cheating a little bit because I was going to make a card and then I remembered I have this old paper pumpkin kit. Well, let me step back. I was going to make a card because we have, Stampin' Up! Has currently in the January to June mini catalog this flowering rain boots stamp set and dies with the bundle right now, item 157691, which is only good through June 30th, and it's not carrying over to my knowledge, at least not in the new annual catalog. So if you would like that, I haven't used it yet. I was going to for this collab, but I am short on time this week because I've been working on my taxes, which I'm still not done. I'm getting close though. Anyway, and I have other collabs I have to work for, but I found I had this, and the thing is, this kit, it won't be called Paper Pumpkin. It's part of the kit collection now. It is called, hang on, it is called No Matter the Weather. So it was March 2020 kit, and I'm going to go through it with you because that'll give you an idea if you want to buy the similar, it's not going to be exact, but the similar kit that's on the Stampin' Up! Website now. Just look for No Matter the Weather, or look under Kits Collection, and then look for Card Kits, No Matter the Weather. They have card kits and then other types of kits. Anyway, so I'm going to share some cards with you, but I made them previously, so that's the cheat. So this is one, No Matter the Weather, we're in this together. They're smaller cards. And then there's this one with all the rain boots, and it says you are capable of amazing things. I don't know if I did anything on the inside. I don't think so. Let me check this one. I don't think, nope. And then these are larger cards. I think these were alternatives because this looks like I used a piece of envelope. I used some retired braided, I don't know what it was called, trim. These are punch outs that were in the kit, and I have one here still. And then these flowers were loose in the, well actually, they're one piece in the kit. And then the stamp that came in the kit had flowers on it. And apparently little gemmies, which I think I used all of them up, so I can't show them to you. And I put it on a regular, what did I put it on? A white card base, but I put, this must have been one of the pieces of cards in the kit, or a piece of Pear Pizzazz. And then this little stamp, the little flower must have been in the kit, and I used Shaded Spruce. It looks like Shaded Spruce might have come in the kit. I don't know. I don't have the inks in it anymore. Or actually, probably a gray came in the kit, but because I used different colors on these. So that was one, and I did do something on the inside of that. Same thing here, I stamped all over a background paper. And then there's this one. Now this paper is no longer available. We had a paper, I don't remember the name of it, but a designer paper, and we also had an umbrella punch that cut out some of these, and I had done that and assembled some of these. I actually backed the designer paper on white, so I have some of those in my box, but that's no longer available. But this was in the kit. It actually was this, and it was, I just had cut it off so I could use two of them on something else. And then this twine was in the kit. It's like an old olive and white twine, but that's that one. And then I think that's all I have left. I think I had sent some out probably. So I have two that look like they were made as intended from the kit, and two alternatives here. Maybe that's all I got done. I don't remember. But the envelopes are small. You get card bases like this. These like little note cards. I think there were just 3 types. We get a blue with gray, and then this cloudy sky with the grass. And then the envelopes, and I have a tendency when they are designer envelopes to cut them to use this part, but I don't think I did on this one unless I did it on some other cards. So there were 3 colors: Petal Pink, I'm gonna say this is Daffodil Delight, but it could be So Saffron, I'm not sure, and this is Shaded Spruce. So they're current colors actually. So yeah, and then you got blue dots, little rain shower, raindrop embellishments, which are hard to see, and punch outs. So I still have some, these were in it too, pretty, some punch outs. So if you'd like to make a rainy day card, consider, and also these labels that you can stamp on. The umbrellas no longer, they're no longer part of it. Well, they weren't part of it before. So, and then you get an ink spot and you get a stamp. Now, oh, here's the twine. I have a lot of that left. What initially came in the kit is storm clouds, some little speckled dots, I guess for rain or soil or something for under the shoes. This is definitely rain. Some hearts. You are capable of amazing things. Let love grow. No matter the weather, we're in this together. And wishing you brighter days ahead. Yeah, really nice kit. And what they did now, they started this kits collection. And you can order without subscribing if you want to. They don't have all the past Paper Pumpkins, but there are some Paper Pumpkin kits in there, and then there's also other kits, so be sure to check out the kits. They are around $20 roughly. Some may be more or less, I think, but it's just you order it through Stampin' Up. You do have to pay shipping because it goes on a regular Stampin' Up order, and that is $6.95 minimum, or 11% of your order total before shipping and tax. And you will have tax if your area has tax. So anyway, and then also don't forget we have this, and I will try and use this soon. It is available only till June 30th or while supplies last. Okay, all right guys, thanks so much for watching. Sorry I didn't prepare a new card for you, but I at least showed you some what is it called, rain showers type cards. Take care, have a great day and a great rest of your week, and I will be live this Thursday evening, 7 p.m. I didn't do it last week, but I am this week. All right, take care, bye.